Safe. It's 2.
Oh, we got the lead.
Two outs. Let it go foul if you can. Nope. Any bag, 2 outs. Oh. There's 2 outs. We got 2. I'm sorry, Bill. 1 or 2 outs. Sorry. You can turn it. Nothing.
Time, Billy.
Just missed that.
Yeah. If I was 6'3". Just off the top, Steve. I need it.
Ah! All yours, Stevie.
Pitching there, Michael.
Good hitting, man.
Season, man.
Good hitting. Good job, man. We done good.
Yeah, we did. We
Good game, guys.
Thanks, Miriam. How much?
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for playing that, Miriam. Right?
Might as well. Take a team picture again?
Yeah, you think?
Sure.
We got one. Thanks. Good game. Good game.
Sid gets MVP today.
Good hitting, Jeff.
All right.
Mikey.
All right.
Mikey, way to go. Mike, 3 mics in a row.
Michael, good game.
Way to go, John. Hitting Jimmy.
Boy, Mike.
Good hit, Pete. Great pitching, Bear. Jimmy.
Whoa! Yeah, baby.
Hey, wait.
There he is.
Great job on everybody.
Way to go, team.
Good